Page 37, More Love to Thee. Another piece in the key of G major. Got one sharp. All F's are sharp. A few things I'd like to point out. Starting with the right hand. Down here. Then second measure you got to come up. So you're already moving around. And once you're up there, you can clap your hand. It's up to you. Or you can leave your thumb there. I'll leave that up to you because it's not played again. The thumb isn't used until the next line, and it's still going to use a D. So if you want to leave it there, it's fine. If you want to bring it up, that's fine. It doesn't matter. So second line is similar to the first. Then the third line, you're coming up. Hopefully these notes aren't a problem. So note-wise, this should be pretty simple for the right hand. Left hand's got some interesting things going on. We're starting here. It's harmony, and then you got the main chords. G chord, 1 chord, 5/7 chord. Going back and forth, and then the second line similar. Third line, you have an E. That is an E. Just come up 1. And then the next line is 5/7 chord again. Hopefully the left hand's okay for you. I'm hoping. Rhythm-wise, the dotted rhythms, you should know those by now. It's not a problem. Phrasing. I got problems with their phrasing. They're starting out with, it's like they like 2 major phrases. Well, I follow the words, and if the words have a break in the sentence, that's fine. But if the words don't have a break in the sentence in them, then I don't break the phrase. I keep it going. So in the first line, this might be fine here. And then a break, so you can lift up in here. And by a break, I mean a silence, just a split silence. The beat keeps going. You don't mess up the beat. And at the end of the line, that's the end of the phrase. That's fine. Then the second line. Now here, I wouldn't break it because the words don't break. And then you lift up at the end of this phrase. Third line. Again, go ahead and lift up a new phrase. A new phrase for the last line. And here the break is built in. You get a 1-beat silence. So I guess I am doing 2 major phrases on all of them except the second line. I connected to the entire second line, and that's because the words didn't connect. Now when you're doing the other verses, if the other verses have a comma or something in there in the second line, then you can go ahead and break it with the piano too. For the chords, for the guitar player, it's fine, and they got some more NCs, no chords, so the guitar player gets the rest during those times. Now dynamic wise, they give you a little bit of the little crescendo. That's where you're after. When you get these crescendos and decrescendos, look to where you're headed. I'm starting out here, and I'm going up to that half note B in the second measure. That's where I want to go. So how do I get from here to here? And that's what I had to figure out. Up to here. Then you're starting out here, and you're going to go back down. Second line's the same thing. Up to here. Now down. Now third line is soft. That's the melody. So the left hand has to be really soft because the melody has to be louder than the other. You're going to make that left hand really soft, and at the last line, now you're medium loud again. And then you decrescendo down to a soft. There's also a retardando there, so you can slow down at the end. When we do it with a metronome, I can't slow down, so I ignore that. I also ignore the dynamics because I'm just playing the notes. I want you to hear the notes. You can do the dynamics on yourself, for yourself. You do the dynamics. I don't know what I'm talking about. So let's try it together. Now they have a little bit of pedal at the end. I'm going to leave it out. I think it's completely unnecessary. I don't know why they want to pedal these things the way they do. If you're going to pedal it, just pedal it the way they're showing. Just make sure you get a silence between the phrases. I'm going to give us 4 counts. So the left hand, the right hand is here. Left hand's here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. 2, 3, 4. 2 and 2 and 4 and 2 3 4 2 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 3, rest, 2, 2, 3, repeat, 2, and 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3, rest, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off.